Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. C Programming. Unlock the world of programming with our comprehensive C programming training programs. We offer certificate, diploma, master diploma, and PG diploma courses tailored to meet your specific learning needs in C programming. Our programs cover a broad spectrum of topics, empowering you with the skills necessary for software development and problem solving. Here are some key features you'll explore in our courses. Fundamentals of C programming language. Data types, operators, and control structures in C. Functions, arrays, and pointers in C. File handling and data structures in C. Advanced C programming techniques and best practices. Enroll in the C programming course of your choice today and embark on a journey to become a proficient C programmer. For more information and to enroll, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.